how to withdraw money from Revolut stocks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your Revolut account. After that, click on the option of Hub at the bottom right hand side corner and then click on the option of stocks. Over there, you will be able to find the option of investments. Just simply select your investments and you need to sell these investments, and you will only be able to sell it when the market is open. So just simply sell it during the market opening, and this way you would be able to get the proceeds in your Revolut account. After that, go to the stock section and there select the option of withdraw, and now you need to choose whether you want to withdraw it in euro or the dollar. Just select it accordingly. After that, type the amount that you want to withdraw, and this way you would be able to withdraw your money from your Revolut stocks to your bank account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.